I'm Dustin Frea. I own A1 Body and Frame in Columbus, Ohio. Getting to have the real one-on-one training opportunities with the instructors and with Nick and Bob, and being able to get the practice time in with a qualified instructor on the welding has been fantastic. You know, I have welders and I have scrap metal back at my shop, and I could practice all day long, but having someone who can look and tell you what you need to change to be better is what makes it a game changer. And you can only master a skill through practice, and in just 4 days I feel like I've gotten a month's worth of practice because of being able to have that much floor time on the shop. Definitely like to thank my family for giving me the time away to come do it, because I know it's not hard to keep, it's hard, it's not easy to keep running the house with 3 kids and things, and with one of us being gone. So thank you to my family.